This is a very, very important time for Bitcoin because what happens here will determine whether or not we see a massive move to the upside to $29,000 or a massive rejection down to $25,000. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. This is a very, very important moment for Bitcoin as we are currently bouncing from a very key level, the long setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Earlier this week, we came down literally to this green box, the one we've been waiting for since Friday. And the reason why this is so important is because what happens here is going to determine how Bitcoin trades for the upcoming weeks. And here's why. When we came down on Friday and we put in this low, we came down to the 200-week moving average. This is such an important level for Bitcoin. It's one of the most important levels for Bitcoin. And the reason is because when we take a look at the 200-week moving average throughout all of Bitcoin's history, we can see that this has always been massive support. We did not lose this 200-week moving average until June 2022, exactly 1 year ago, and from that point it was massive resistance. And now we have broken out above this 200-week moving average, and on Friday we came back to retest it. And I did make a video earlier this week saying that there is a chance that this is a significant bottom. And what we were waiting to do is see, are we going to make a higher low, right? If this is a significant bottom, we would be looking for a higher low right from this green box. And one of the things we'd be looking for is a trigger wave on market Cipher B with money flow getting higher. And we can see that as we came down to make the low at the 200-week moving average, we did print bullish divergences, right? As the price was getting lower and lower and lower right to the 200-week moving average, the momentum waves on market Cipher B were getting higher and higher. And now we have made officially a higher high coming above this last lower high. And now we're coming down to this very key zone of support. This is the area in my video this morning that I was looking at. And so I'm keeping my eyes right now on this very important area of support. We have this golden pocket at $26,500 down to the 786 at $26,200. And so if this is going to be a legitimate bounce from that major 200-week moving average, this box is the area that we need to keep our eyes on. Now, and so as we come down to the box, we are getting a very big bounce from here, and we are seeing the money flow continue to get higher. So what has to happen now? Because there is a chance that we do find a rejection right here. In fact, if we take a look at the chart that we've got going on right here, if we put on my levels, we are coming up literally to the first area of local resistance that we have today. So here's what I am looking at right now. There is a chance that we have put in a significant bottom and that this, in fact, is a higher low because we did come down. We didn't actually hit the golden pocket, but we simply did come down to the box that we gave, just understanding that really as long as we took the liquidity from this low, we could still find support. And that's exactly what happened. We took the liquidity from that low and we were finding support. So here's what I am looking at right now. If we can make a higher high, coming above the high that we put in on Monday, which was, by the way, the short setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord to take that short trade. I am currently still holding that short trade as well in case we do not put in a higher high. But I am looking to basically put in a higher high. If we can change market structure here, put in our bounce from the 200-week moving average, first high, put in our higher low from this box, and then put in a higher high. Then if we zoom out, we can see that there's actually a pretty good chance that we could make our way all the way back up to the high of the sideways range that we have been trading here for quite some time. I'm going to go to the 8-hour time frame. We're just going to look at this volume profile that we've got going on right here. So when we take a look at this volume profile, we can see that essentially the Bitcoin price has been trading a sideways range going all the way back to the middle of March. And because we've actually come down and bounced from key support, and now we're finding support again at the value area low of this range, if we can now put in a higher high, it becomes more probable than not that we make our way back to the high of this range around $29,000. So there's a really good chance, in my opinion, that we could now make our way up to that $29,000 level, which just so happens to be the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement from the high to the new low. And so if I was looking for an overall swing trading idea right now, of course, we understand this could be a swing trade up to the $29,000 level. my next major zone to look for a short would be right at this golden pocket, in which case, because I still do have a medium time frame bearish bias, we could then look to put in a lower low. Of course, trading is made out of if-then scenarios. I'm not saying we're going to 29K. I'm saying if we can put in a higher high from Monday's high, that is a sign of strength, and the probabilities become higher that we hit that $29,000 level. Right now, we're coming to the first zone of resistance that we gave this morning in the Casper Crew VIP Discord that we've got on the chart right up here around that $27,000 level. And so if we reject from here, there's no way we're going to hit that $29,000 level, and we can look to put in a lower low right away. However, if we do change that market structure, then I would really be looking for a move to the upside, guys. So I want to come in and make this quick update because this is exactly what we were looking to happen, and it's starting to play out. Let's see how it goes. By the way, if you want to take advantage of this volatility, trading these markets, check out MEXC, my new favorite exchange. You will not find a better deal on fees. 0% limit order fees, 33% off. Market order fees up to a $9,000 deposit bonus. Link in the description and pinned comment if you are interested. Also, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we gave the short setup from the high and the local short setup this week on Monday, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead, click the link to join the Discord. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, guys, check out the courses. We have a 25% discount on both courses. So much information for such a great value. jasoncaspertrading.com. That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, and I do pray everybody watching and listening is very blessed in the name of Yeshua, Jesus the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray that you and your family are super blessed, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!